Sachtler and Vinten just introduced a new kind of tripod, the Flowtech 75, a very revolutionary kind of concept, and we've had a hands-on in London. We're here in Bury St Edmunds in the UK at Vitec Videocom, and we just attended a press event where a new tripod, a very innovative new tripod was introduced. I'm here with James Guest, and he's going to tell us everything about the new tripod. This is something we haven't seen before. Can you just tell us a little bit of the background, how you came up with this, and what the thoughts behind this product are?
So we have a long history of producing broadcast and ENG equipment through Sachtler and Vinten brands, and we wanted to move the tripod technology onto the next phase. So initially we came up with a concept for sort of making the tubes more oval to improve the torsional stiffness, and we decided that we then wanted to improve the speed of deployment and at the same time improve the ease of getting to your shot location as well. So there's ergonomics, there's portability, and speed of setup really being the three key drivers behind the project. So we set about laying out various concepts, and through a lot of customer feedback we've evolved the product to what it is here today. The main features are three quick deploy paddle levers at the top, where your hands are located near the head and near the camera itself. These control the individual legs, but they're co-located so you can deploy them all at the same time. A novel manufacturing process which gives us these three carbon fibre sections, which are comfortable to use on your shoulder for portability, easy to grip with a nice return here so you can have good holding in wet and cold conditions, and allow us to package obviously the clamping technology we're using to put the paddle levers near the bowl. The other features we have in this, we've incorporated a hinge lock spreader, as well as being able to include a floor or a mid-level spreader to suit the workflow that you prefer. Now the hinge lock spreader allows you to go super low, as well as using it in a normal upright position such as it is now. So it's a really versatile product, great height range, very good collapse length as well, super fast to deploy, easy to carry and comfortable to carry. So we're really pleased with where we've got to with this, and we're very excited to be launching it.
Cool, so this is a 75mm tripod. We saw the manufacturing process today. We got a factory tour, which was very interesting. So this is the first time you make your own carbon fiber, is that correct?
Yes, we came up with the design, and then we've had to find a manufacturing process that allows us to achieve what we want. Traditional sections for tripods are a pull-trude or a pull-wound process, which is a continuous shape that basically continues to come out of a die. To achieve what we wanted to achieve, we need a three-dimensional shape. So the upper section here actually tapers from the lower to the upper part, which allows us to have the optimum design for strength and stiffness in the low position, as well as all the other features we talked about before. So we've then gone out, researched and invested in the technology to allow us to make it here on site in Bury St Edmunds, and it's a fantastic project to be associated with, and you know we've spent a long time and getting it right, but we believe we're there now.
Cool. So this is a 75mm version, as we said. Are there any plans to make a bigger version?
There are discussions around a bigger version. We'd like to get the 75mm out there. We've had a lot of feedback from users that we've shown it to so far, and the demand is much higher than we were expecting. So we're going to get the 75mm out there and then make our plans around when the 100mm is due to launch.
So what's the maximum and minimum height of the tripod?
Well, this is the maximum height. We've got it set up as here with a mid-level spreader, minimum spread, slightly different with the hinge lock spreader. And the minimum height is 24 centimetres from the ground, so really low.
Oh, okay, cool. You mentioned something about transportation, that I mean the shape of the leg is more comfortable on the shoulder than normal tripods would be. But how do the actual legs stick together?
Okay, so we've taken the opportunity to really simplify this, but hopefully make it a lot more cleaner in the workflow. There's no clips, there's no bungee cords. It uses a magnetic lock. You can quickly close it together, and it holds perfect, no problem. And we've taken a lot of time to try and optimize the amount of magnetic force pulling that together, so that it's not too much effort to open, but not loose that it opens all the time. So we've tuned that, and we're getting some great feedback on that. In fact, some people are so excited about that over everything else, but when they start using it, the speed is just clear compared to what else is out there.
Cool. Yeah, it's very, I mean, you immediately understand the benefit of this tripod when you try to use it. Thanks for watching. This was Cinema 5D here from the UK at the Vitec Videocom press event for the Flowtech 75 tripod.